Welcome back guys, and time surely flies, so happy New Year's. As promised, here is the long overdue quick tutorial in how I maintain and sharpen my blades via the highly versatile and compact Spyderco Triangle Sharpmaker kit. Before I actually start to show you how I use it, let me present it a bit, and while you enjoy the background of me taking apart my Damascus Sebenza 21 and giving it a quick clean before I actually sharpen it. The Sharpmaker kit, I got it long time ago, almost 9 years I think, and I used it at least a couple of times every year. It retails for around 75 bucks and comes with 2 sets of stones, a pair of medium grit stones for aggressive sharpening and a set of fine ones, the white stones, for finishing. Currently Spyderco offers now a wider range of separately purchased set of stones for advanced stuff like the newer ceramic blades or ultra fine stones, diamond stones, etc. It even offers you a setup for freehand sharpening where you just place the rods at the end like so, and it even comes with a handy DVD, remember those? That has Sal Glesser, the owner of Spyderco, of course, demoing how to use it, and he shows some mad stuff like how he sharpens some random scissors and then uses them to fine cut the paper but horizontally, like trimming it. Insane. Let me see if I can find it on YouTube and link it for you in the description. Anyway, back to the Spyderco Sharpmaker. The case is made from plastic ABS, and as you can see it's a highly compact overall unit. It comes with brass rods for extra protection if you slide the blade too much, and thus those prevent you from cutting yourself. So install the protective rods, then select your desired sharpening angle, which is either 30 degrees, 15 degrees for each side of course, or 40, also 20 on each side. Depending on how worn your knife is, start with the medium grade stones and do anywhere between 15 to 20 passes on each side of the blade on the corner of the stone, and then rotate it to do another set on the flat surface side. Then finish things off with the white stones, repeating the same overall process. That's it really. The more you do it, the better you will get at controlling the consistency of your actions, and thus you will get faster and faster. Now here is a quick sample of before and after sharpening my knife. That's virtually it. Let me know what are your favorite go-to solutions for sharpening your knives, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Alex out.